Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair tutorial on how I get this curly hair. So if you would like to know how I get it, then keep on watching. So I wanted to film a tutorial on how I get my 70s inspired curly hair. This is the curling iron I use. It's from Conair. I'm not sure if this is the name, but it's called Conair Instant Heat. At least that's what it says on the thing. I've had this forever. I think this is an inch barrel. I'm not really sure. I usually put it on like medium heat, like maybe 17. And then I'm just gonna turn it on and let it heat up. So I've been doing a middle part recently instead of my usual side part, and I really like it. So first I'm gonna prep my hair. So it's been a day since I've washed my hair and it looks fine. It's not super greasy or anything, but just to give my hair like a little bit more volume, I'm gonna add some dry shampoo. This is the one I've been using. It's from Joico. It's the Weekend Hair Dry Shampoo. It's not my favorite, but it's all I really have right now. And this one's empty, but I usually use Batiste, usually any scent. I love them all. Batiste is definitely my favorite, but the Joico one is all I have right now. So I'm just going to shake it up and then spray it mainly at the roots of my hair. And so next I'm just going to brush my hair out. And so when I do this hair, I usually like to work in just one layer. I don't really like separate my hair or anything. I haven't tested that out, but I may one day. But yeah, so I just do it leaving everything down. My hair's pretty thin too, so I'm just gonna separate it in half. And then the side that I'm not gonna be working on, I'm just gonna tie it up. And usually I just use a scrunchie. These are silk ones. I believe they're from Kitsch. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got them at Ulta. Just gonna tie this side up. So next I'm gonna add some spray to my hair. This is from Not Your Mother's. It's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector. This is what it looks like. So this claims to do a bunch of things. It adds body, detangles, adds shine, protects, moisturizes, controls frizz, repairs dry hair, heat protection, mends split ends, and creates silkiness. This is new to me. Not sure if I already mentioned that, but I use it mainly for the heat protection aspect of it. So I'm just gonna spray this through my hair and then I'll brush it out. Okay, so next I'm gonna section this half of hair. So I start from the front of my hair when I curl. That's just what I find easiest. So I take about that much and then I take the rest and either I tie or clip it back. These are some clips I have. I got these ones at Marshall's, but you can find them anywhere. And so, because I really like the big, like 70s curls, like all going away from the face and everything. So I do all of them pretty much away from my face. So my curling iron is all heated up now. And so I start at the ends and I just twist away from my face. And then I count to like 25 or 30. And then I unravel it a little bit. And then just let it go. So there's one curl. And I try to get the pieces like the same size but sometimes they end up a little bit bigger or sometimes smaller, but that doesn't really bother me. So I'm pretty much just gonna do the same thing to the rest of my head. No, some curls come out better than others, but like I can always go back in later and fix them if I need to. It's not really like a big deal to me. Okay, so there's one side done. Usually I don't touch these front pieces just because I find that this side especially, it doesn't curl right. Like it kind of just crimps instead of curling. So I kind of just let them be. But so I'm just going to do this side now. So it's basically just going to be the same. Putting the heat protectant spray in, brushing it out, sectioning it off, and curling it. Okay, so there's the curls done. Now I know I said that I don't usually touch the front pieces, but this side, because it's facing more towards my face and I want it more outwards. So I'm just gonna take it and just curl it really quickly. So I just curled this piece too, and as you can see, it like, I don't know if it's the curling iron or what, but it gets like just this really weird like crimp in it, but it's whatever. Next I just like to run my fingers through it really. And then if I was like going out, I'd probably spray with hairspray, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm stuck at home, so I'm not going to. But if I was, this is what I like to use. It's from Not Your Mother's as well. It's the She's a Tease Volumizing Hairspray. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now, obviously, like a bunch of girls from the 70s, like they're a lot like bigger. Obviously, I don't have enough hair to make them really big, but also a bigger curling wand. Like if this was like maybe 2 inches or like 1.5, it might give me like those bigger, looser curls. But I like how this turns out every time. It doesn't really bother me that they're a little bit smaller. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed, and I'll see you all next time.